When everyone is happy, that means we've done our job. And when they write to tell us they're impressed, we're excited to share the great news. We hope you enjoy this fantastic review. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job, as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing and caring every single time. Great reviews aside, we enjoy earning these from everyone, so we want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.